Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest health tips and tricks. Today we are going to talk about one of the lesser known remedies for weight loss, and that is castor oil. Castor oil is a natural oil that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. In this video we'll be discussing the benefits of castor oil for weight loss and how you can use it to achieve your weight loss goals. Castor oil has been shown to have many health benefits, including improving digestion, reducing inflammation, and boosting the immune system. It is also known for its ability to aid in weight loss. The fatty acids present in castor oil can help to break down fat cells and prevent the accumulation of fat in the body. Castor oil can also help to improve your metabolism, which can lead to increased fat burning. Tip number 1: consume castor oil in moderation. Castor oil is very rich in fatty acids and can be very heavy on the stomach if consumed in large amounts. It is recommended to take no more than 1 to 2 teaspoons of castor oil per day to achieve the best results. Tip number 2: mix castor oil with juices or smoothies. You can add a teaspoon of castor oil to your favorite juice or smoothie recipe. This will not only make it easier to consume, but it will also help to improve digestion and increase metabolism. Tip number 3: use castor oil for massage. Massaging the affected areas with castor oil can help to break down fat cells and improve blood circulation, which can aid in weight loss. Simply heat up the castor oil and massage it onto your stomach, thighs, or other problem areas. So there you have it, 3 easy ways to use castor oil for weight loss. Remember to use castor oil in moderation, as too much can be harmful to your health. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine and see the magic work. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and tricks.